Mungolobe ndaberende Scott Active nambola mbu atya kukuya Jet Li. Nambola mbu atya kukuya Jet Li shumo shia manyane khandi mukhasi wae yala bukula mbu ni mukhuyi lano lekhimupire khinole mbu Jet Li so wamatechu ulya yakhakuyuende baye Dolo khumuyo nombulano naye ni mukhuyi wae. Hello. Yesterday ya jana you told me bali wala kuya Jet Li. No. Why? Jana kumfutu machi kupiga Jet Li. Then you come.
Jesus is Lord.
You powerfully Jet Li no machi kumfu. You wala me. Too much kung fu. Yesterday, you chiki madamu Jet Li. Si sawa. Too much wala ndi. You know sawa.
Allah.
Slowly. Wait, slowly please, slowly. You come yesterday ya jana. My home. Kwa mulia, basi, unaelewa. You say, Mutsuli, too much kupigana. Wrestling. Break kidogo. Break slowly kidogo. You boyka. Zea jela. You have tubu ya mawe kupiga na nyundo. You tell me you piga tubu last ringi. You say too much me before